Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start Dodge Charger with key. Begin by standing beside the driver door, unlock with the key, open the door, sit, insert the key into the ignition cylinder, press and hold the brake, and turn the key firmly to crank the engine. If it does not start, try turning to accessory then fully to start, and listen for clicks that indicate battery or starter issues. Most Dodge Chargers rely on both key fob and mechanical key reliability. Check the fob battery by replacing it with a fresh CR2032 cell, then test the remote lock and unlock. If the car refuses to recognize the key, use the physical key to start, and consider reprogramming or dealer diagnostics if problems persist. Always keep a spare key and maintain battery replacement every couple years to avoid. Before attempting multiple starts, check battery voltage and connections for corrosion or looseness and tighten terminals if needed. If you hear a rapid clicking, the battery may be weak and needs a jump start or replacement. If the engine cranks slowly, inspect the starter motor and neutral safety switch, and ensure the gear selector is fully in park or neutral. Safety first. Wear gloves, work in a ventilated area, and avoid sparks near the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.